Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ron.
And I'm Lexi, and welcome to Virtual Ingenuity. In today's video, I will be joining you while we explore the latest AI tools and tips to supercharge your productivity. In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to the incredible ChatGPT Writer extension for Gmail. With ChatGPT Writer, you can take advantage of cutting-edge language models, like the powerful GPT 3.5, to effortlessly craft professional and personalized email responses with just a few clicks. So, get ready to unlock a new level of efficiency and productivity as we explore the amazing capabilities of the ChatGPT Writer extension for Gmail. Let's dive in. So I am now here on the ChatGPT website, just logged in using your Google account if you want to utilize this AI. But what I wanted to show you today is how the ChatGPT Writer extension is used in replying to our emails. This is very useful if you receive a bundle of emails every day and replies are necessary. So let's jump into Ron's email inbox. Let's open one and we'll try to reply to it using the ChatGPT Writer extension. But before we can use this extension, it must be installed first in our browser. So let's go to chatgptwriter.ai site, then left-click on this icon Download Free Extension. A new tab will open and you will be redirected to Chrome Web Store. Here you can see Add to Brave. Since I am using a Brave browser, you can use any browser and the installation procedures are the same. So left-click on this, and a new dialog box above appears. Click on Add Extension, and here we can see that the ChatGPT Writer extension has been installed successfully. Then right above, click on the extension icon, and down find the ChatGPT Writer. Then click the pin so that it will appear above along the bar and be ready to use. Now that the extension is set up, let us return to Ron's email inbox. Before we reply to this email, I forgot to say that the ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT Writer extension are free AI tools until now. The new ChatGPT 4 is one that needs a subscription. So to reply to this email using the extension, click on Reply. And down here you can see the icon of the ChatGPT Writer extension. Be sure to log in to chat.openai.com before you can use this extension. Let's click this icon. A new dialog box will appear, and inside the box, you can see the content of the email you wanted to reply to. The AI now can create a reply based on the email inside the box. So here it states that, briefly enter what you want to reply. Inside this text box, you can write a short description of how AI responds to your email. Let us visit first the examples. Here you can see different examples. You can also use this one if it fits the content of your email. Let's close this. Now, as you can see, the content of the email is a reminder about the deadline of the reports. Inside this box, I will type a short description that I cannot submit on time because I am still on vacation. Then click Generate a Reply, and it is now generating. It's finished. And down here you can see the generated reply to the email apologizing to Mary that he cannot submit a report on time. You can edit the content, but if you are satisfied, then click this Insert Generate Response. And here you can see a reply. Just click the Send button below, and it's done. Let us go to our chat OpenAI if we can see our generated message. Let's refresh this site, then down here click the new chat. And here you can see the generated message from the ChatGPT Writer extension. Let's try another reply. This time I will use the default one to generate a reply. I just click Generate Reply, and it is now generating. And there, it generates a reply informing Mary that I can submit the reports on time. If you are satisfied with the content, click Insert Generated Reply, then click Send, and it's done. Let's check the ChatGPT. Refresh the site. Click the new chat. And here is the generated reply from the extension. So ChatGPT Writer is just an extension of ChatGPT 3 so that we have easy access in replying to our emails. I just ask for a few seconds of your time to like and share this video. And also kindly click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. That's all for now, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.